Okay, so OCL, so this is for Cash Connect. My topic is right now only for change order and why the office and the operation they have the discrepancies and how we can resolve it. Okay, number one is definitely OCL has to make a order. Okay, end of the it is there is no way he cannot order end of the week. So last week of the month, right? So you have to order change. So once you make your order, order falls into the next month. Okay, that's the one thing. Okay, second most important thing, you are not able to feed. This is the Cash Connect. Put it here. This is the Cash Connect machine. So you are not able to feed 100% of your order because because of the capacity. So sometimes you feed 100% as you receive, and sometimes you only put 80% or 70%. Am I right or wrong, Osil? Right?
Right.
Okay. So now how we can solve the problem is very easy. Number one, you need to create a one sheet which should have a date, day, then the date, day, and then you will have a the order day, the day you place your order, because this is called Cash Connect detailed information, order day. Okay, so which day you order, when you receive it. Okay, it's very easy for even for Sidra also. She can easily figure it out. That you order on Friday. Think about Friday, and then you receive it on next Wednesday. Okay, so receive date. Then after this, whatever the dollar amount you receive it now is a field. Okay, field into Cash Connect. CC Cash Connect, field into Cash Connect. If it is 100% field, then there is no difference. You receive it when you receive it, and you feed it 100% into the Cash Connect. No problem. So Sidra look at it that she that when you place the order, for example, you place the order week before, and after 1 week you receive the money, and this day you put into the Cash Connect. She can easily trace back with the Cash Connect app, and she can easily look into the bank and reconcile, and she can move on. Got it? Okay, now question is here, if it is not 100% filled, think about you filled 80%. So whatever the remaining balance, then you will put it remaining balance 20% of the amount. That 20%, make sure the day again when you filled up, you can go back again and you write it down that 20% is filled. So do not mix with this 20% with the other new order. So this way she can easily figure it out. 80%, think about September 1st you filled 80%, and then September 5 you filled rest of the 20%. She can take 80 and 20 and go back to the bank, and she reconcile and she move on. So this way there is no discrepancies, and end of the month even also she has no problem if you share with her this report on a daily basis. And if she has any question concern, definitely you guys have to call with each other, but otherwise there is no problem. Okay, thanks a lot. So let's move on